as a fuel. I think so. Any one such example may be coming in your mind. Can you tell me? Any such
Coal.
minerals? Coal.
Ma'am, coal,
Exactly.
petroleum, natural gas.
Petroleum,
Gas.
gas, ma'am, CNG,
Petroleum and
diesel,
natural gas are the examples of
PNG.
mineral fuels.
Coal.
Mhm.
Petrol, ma'am, coal, petroleum, ma'am, और LPG, CNG.
Ma'am, coal is solid,
Huh.
petroleum
Yeah,
is liquid, and natural gas is gaseous.
exactly. They are in very much used in our day-to-day life. The distribution of minerals is highly uneven in the world and depends upon the types of rocks available in a particular region. What we see, these minerals, as we have already studied in our second chapter about the potentiality and the actual resources, isn't it? So what we came to know that the region which is highly concentrated in the minerals is very uncertain. Still, there are very much research has to be done, and it is very uneven. Depends upon the types of rocks present there and available in a particular region. While there are some particular regions are in great accumulation of particular minerals. For example, if you talk about the Gulf countries like Iran and Iraq, why they are so rich in petroleum? Can you ever have thought about it? Tell me, why particular region is in more accumulated with this iron, you can say petroleum. Why this Chota Nagpur region is full of iron and coal? Why?
मैम ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि वहाँ पे मैम ज्यादा मैम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म मैम हाईली पॉपुलेटेड हो पहले के मैम जमाने में, और ट्रीज वहाँ पे मैम जो
हाँ, तो ये इसके बारे में ही रिसर्च चल रहा है. Our geologist is researching on it, but what we find that still we see the minerals and the rocks material and what are mineral fuels, all these are very unevenly distributed. Now what,
सबसे
let's
बड़ा
talk
रीजन
about
पॉपुलेशन हो सकता है.
igneous. What you see, igneous and metamorphic rocks are rich in minerals like iron ore. Have you ever given the difference between igneous and metamorphic rocks? Igneous rocks?
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are igneous rocks, define it. Those rocks which are
Formed by the combination of igneous rocks,
Igneous rocks are formed by the molten magma or lava.
okay,
which
and
which become rock when cools down.
Igneous rock is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava.
okay, and don't you think that it is the first rock which has been arise? It is the
Yes,
first rock. Yes.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. It
ये
is
सब
also called primary rock.
प्राइमरी रॉक, वो मैं सुनना चाहती थी. दिस इज द फर्स्ट रॉक which has been found, isn't it? Which has been formed
मैम
by
ये
the
सबसे पहले
molten
फाउंड किया गया
rock.
था मैम, इसलिए इसको प्राइमरी रॉक कहते हैं.
हाँ, ये बात ही मैं यही मैं पूछना चाह रही थी. And what about the metamorphic rocks?
Metamorphic rocks are formed through the change of igneous and sedimentary rocks.
Okay, change of igneous and sedimentary rocks known as the metamorphic rock. It may be by some high temperature, है ना, or after some other pressures, it changes.
Formed when rocks are subjected to high heat, high pressure, hot minerals
And they are rich in iron and manganese ore, gold, silver, lead, etc. ये सारे चीजें इसी में मौजूद होते हैं ना, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, आयरन, लेड, manganese and other things. Now mineral fuels are restricted to sedimentary rocks. Sometimes agents of gradation such as river erode the minerals from one region and deposit them somewhere else in the river beds, and they are called the placer deposit. So what we see, generally we find these mineral fuels in the sedimentary rocks. You know what are the sediments, sedimentary rocks? How did it become? First you talk about the sediments. Sediments
Yes,
means
ma'am.
all the impurities present in the river or oceans, they get deposited in a particular area is known as a sediments.
मैम जो कैरी होता है
Isn't it?
रिवर से ही आता है वो.
Even through river, or you can say in oceans also, coral,
मैम सी बेड्स में
corals.
डिपॉजिट हो जाता है जाके.
Have you seen the corals? It is of definite shapes and pores are there. Even the sankhas, which you keep in your puja room, it's also one of the sediments.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? So,
Yes,
due to high pressure, they take their different shapes, isn't it? So these sediments are generally the impurities
इसका
which are
डिस्कनेक्ट
found
हो
in
गया
the.
मैम, उसको प्लीज कनेक्ट कर लीजिए.
किसको बेटा?
प्लीज का मैम डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I explain it?
Who is saying that? Can I leave it?
No, ma'am. I'm saying, can I explain it?
Oh yeah, why not? Sure.
Ma'am, the continuous action of the agents of gradation on rocks break them into small pieces that are carried by the rivers.
Yes.
Uh,
And it
I'm
is
talking
get
about the
deposited
sediments,
in
ma'am.
the.
And
Why
then
they are known
and
as
the
placer
latter,
deposit?
yeah, ma'am.
Why they are known as they are considered as a placer deposit?
Because they deposit them into the seabeds or the rivers.
Means they can be deposited anywhere. Even the river waves and the forces or the big waves in the ocean or river, they get deposited into any of the such places, and then they are placed in a particular area that is known as a placer deposit. It can be placed, and that can't be a human effort. It is of a reverse, or it's just a natural process. Okay, now we are talking about the mineral fuels. So we had just talked about that most of the mineral fuels are found in the sediments rocks. It is found in the sediment rock. Now the countries rich in minerals have a large potential of industrial development. You know, so can you tell me any such country which is rich in mineral? Just now I've said you Iran and Iraq. I have given you the example of Iran and Iraq.
Yes, ma'am. Iran.
Hannah? So these countries are very rich in mineral fuel. Which mineral fuel they are having?
मैम कोल, पेट्रोलियम.
Yes, exactly.
Coal and petrol.
Isn't it?
Ma'am,
दुबई.
These are
petroleum, ma'am. Mostly petroleum.
मैम आशीष
Mostly.
मैम बात बोल रहा है, मैम उसको कनेक्ट कर लीजिए ना.
Some Asis is there. Hello,
यस मैम.
Advait. Some Asis is there. Some Asis is want to connect. He will be connected. So as we discussed that countries rich in minerals have a large potential after industrial development. So we have find that such industrial development takes place in very large quantity in those countries which are very rich in mineral fuels or mineral resources. The uneven distribution of minerals create a global trade, isn't it? You must be thinking about it. How this uneven concentration of minerals can develop a global trade. अब मैं बताती हूँ. If we talk about the country like Iran and Iraq, they are very rich in minerals, fuel like petroleum and other mineral, and there is no cropping or agriculture is there. But Iran and Iraq is a very small country, but still it is known by the world. Can you tell me why? This is known as a global trade, through trade. कैसे जानने लगे लोग ईरान इराक को?
मैम
बहुत छोटा सा
बिकॉज
कंट्री है.
Iran and
Because
Iraq
of its mineral deposits.
ma'am has a maximum number of minerals like coal, petroleum, from which he supplies other countries and gain popularity among the world.
Yeah. So any minerals concentration in a particular country makes a global trade throughout the world, isn't it? So there is no country left which does not need the mineral fuel. So we already get connected to those countries from where we get it, isn't it? First, we talk about the iron.
Ma'am,
Can you see the
sound
map,
check
all of you?
coming.
Page number 134. Please look at the map. Page number 134. Page number. Harsh Chandra, can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me the concentration of iron?
Ma'am,
Which countries have a large iron?
ma'am, iron, एक minute, ma'am.
Page number 34. India.
India,
Brazil.
Australia,
Brazil. Huh?
Ma'am, India,
Canada,
China, Russia, Sweden,
Ma'am, Brazil.
Brazil,
Brazil.
America,
Brazil and
Yeah.
America,
Sweden, Russia, Australia, India,
Indonesia,
I'm Ukraine.
Ukraine, Jamaica,
China,
I'm China.
Mexico.
Okay.
Democratic
Let's talk.
Republic of Congo.
Let's talk about, you have seen the symbol of iron, which is given as a rectangular in shape.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now we'll go for the triangular shape. It is copper, concentration of copper. The triangular shape, is a copper one. Let's go through the world map and see the copper. Can
I'm
you name it?
Australia.
Yeah.
Australia,
Ma'am,
Mexico,
Russia,
United
China,
States of America,
Russia.
Canada.
States of America, Chile, Peru,
Zambia.
Canada, Zimbabwe,
Hmm?
Diplomatic Republic
Yeah.
Congo,
China.
Australia,
There are
Peru.
two
Russia,
triangles.
China, Canada, United
Mexico,
States of America,
America,
Peru,
Canada.
Chile,
Hmm.
Democratic
Ma'am,
Republic of Congo, Zimbabwe, Zambia. These are.
Okay.
China.
Now I think so. It is something
Ma'am.
oval shape. Because telling,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, there are two
Now-
triangles located on Australia. That means that there is large amount of copper there. There is large amount
copper
of
and
copper
iron both. Copper and iron both.
there. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I think so. Bauxite is in oval shape. Can you name it? Which are the places we are getting the
Yes, ma'am.
bauxite?
Australia.
Indonesia, Vietnam,
Malaysia.
Guinea,
Yes, ma'am.
Brazil,
China.
India, और
China,
Guinea.